The compost maturity assessment is where the most consequential mistake in home composting occurs. Not the failure to compost, not the wrong carbon to nitrogen ratio, not inadequate turning, but the application of compost that looks finished while still containing the biologically active compounds that make it harmful to the plants it is meant to benefit. Understanding what finished compost actually is, biologically and physically, and what tests reliably distinguish it from partially finished material that looks similar from the outside, is the knowledge that converts compost production from an activity that sometimes helps plants and sometimes mysteriously hurts them into one with consistently positive outcomes. Finished compost is the product of complete decomposition, a state where the original organic materials have been converted by successive microbial communities into stable humus compounds, where the biologically active compounds produced during early decomposition have been consumed or neutralized by later microbial communities, and where the remaining microbial activity is at the low maintenance level characteristic of healthy soil rather than the high activity decomposition level characteristic of an active compost pile. This state has specific observable properties: an earthy smell resembling forest soil rather than decomposing vegetation, a dark brown to black color that is uniform rather than patchy, a crumbly friable texture without recognizable original material, and a biological passivity that means the material does not continue decomposing rapidly when mixed into soil. What most people apply as finished compost fails at least one and frequently several of these criteria. A pile that has been hot composting for 8 to 10 weeks and then cooled appears finished from the outside. The surface is dark, the pile has reduced in volume, and the original material is not visible. But the interior of the pile may still contain partially decomposed materials in stages of biological activity that produce phytotoxic compounds, consume soil nitrogen after application, and create the oxygen-depleting anaerobic pockets that stress root systems in freshly amended beds. Sifting is the physical assessment that the appearance of the pile cannot provide. The heavy-duty stainless steel compost sifter, 3 mesh sizes from fine to coarse, separates the genuinely finished fine particle humus from the partially decomposed chunky material that should return to the pile for continued processing. Material that passes through the fine mesh without clogging it is structurally mature. Material that resists the fine mesh, fibrous, recognizable, chunky, or slimy, is not finished regardless of how long it has been in the pile, and applying it to the garden is applying incompletely processed organic material that will continue its decomposition in the soil, consuming nitrogen and oxygen and potentially producing phytotoxic acids at the expense of the roots growing around it. The sifter is also the tool that produces the fine textured amendment that integrates into soil most effectively, a practical production benefit alongside the maturity assessment function. The link is in the description. The germination bioassay is the biological confirmation that physical sifting cannot provide, placing compost with fast germinating seeds in a sealed moist bag for 48 to 72 hours and comparing germination rate to a control. A genuinely finished compost shows no inhibition. Immature compost containing phytotoxic compounds produces visibly depressed germination that would translate directly into the garden if the compost were applied. Subscribe to Garden Guru. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.